Hello children, welcome back to Tux Paint. I hope you remember me and the topics which we have learnt in the previous class. Let us have a quick review about the tools we have learnt till now. We have learnt how to use the paint, freehand drawing tool along with various brush shapes, lines tool to draw beautiful patterns, and have also tried our hands at some magical effects using the magic tool. We have also learned how to save our work as well as open an already saved file. Let us learn more about Tux Paint and its wonderful tools. First, we shall talk about the Shapes tool. This tool is used to draw various filled and unfilled polygonal shapes. The unique feature of this tool is rotation. We can also rotate the shapes by an angle on a 360-degree scale. Time for a fact file. Bill Kendrick is the lead developer and designer of Tux Paint. This software can be downloaded from... Did you know this fact? Tux Paint is translated in more than 85 languages. Many Indians have participated actively in the translation process of Tux Paint into the language of Indian origin. Let us learn how to draw various shapes using this tool. Let us draw a square at various angles. First, select the Shapes tool from the toolbox. Select Square from the sub-toolbox on the right-hand side. You can either choose a blank square or a filled square. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Select a point on the drawing area which will act as the center of the square. Now click and drag the mouse. Choose the desired size and release the left mouse button. When you have completed the square, read the instructions given by the penguin. Now you can see a spun arrow on the drawing area which is used to spin the image at any angle from the center point. Try spinning the arrow in any direction to spin the square.
Once you are done, click in the drawing area to see the final image.
Let us draw 4 different squares, shapes at various angles. Likewise, try your hand with other shapes as well. Okay students, take a note of this. There are 16 different shapes available in the sub-toolbox of the Shapes tool. Students, now let us do some recalling. Drawing flowers is no longer difficult. You can now make ready-made flowers of various colors using the flower magic effect. This sub-tool will draw curvy, stalked flowers. Now let us talk about the eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to erase unwanted parts of the picture. It is very easy to use. What you have to do is select the eraser tool from the toolbox. Select the desired shape of eraser from the sub-toolbox. Bring the mouse pointer in the drawing area. Click the left mouse button and drag the eraser to the area which you want to remove. Let us now find out about the new tool. We cannot work in a single file forever. We always make different files for different drawings. Once you save your previous work, you can open a new file using the new tool from the toolbox. Let us learn how to create a new file. Click on New Tool in the toolbox. You will get color boxes and starters to start a new drawing. Click on the down arrow button. Select any color or any of the frames. Click on Open button. Let us try our hand and select the green color box. After you click on Open button, you will find a blank screen with a green drawing area. Now you can draw anything in the drawing area. Since your canvas is green, you can use light colors like white, yellow, green or pink. Let us try our hand and create some new files with different background colors. Now let's know more. You can add more colors by clicking on the last option of the color palette. It is time to learn more magical effects. Now let us find what the drip magic is. What happens when you sprinkle drops of water on a drawing made with a sketch pen or a letter which is written using ink pen? The ink or colors will scatter and drip away like water. Similarly, this magic subtool gives a dripping effect to our drawing. Let us see how it works. Open a new file in TuxPaint. Select a green background.
Select the text tool and write the following text. Hello, I am learning TuxPaint.
Now select the magic tool and select Drip Effect from Sub-Toolbox. Drag the magic wand over the text to add dripping effect to it. Check how the text changes after the drip effect. Students, now let us recall how the Lines tool works. Select the Lines tool and then select any pattern. Drag the pointer from one end to another and release the left mouse button. A line with the selected pattern will be drawn. Time for a fact file. Thousands of children across the globe submit their artwork made in TuxPaint. You can also draw beautiful drawings and send it to Bill at newbreedssoftware.com with your name, age and location. If your drawing is selected, it will be published on the TuxPaint. Alright, now we shall discuss about some more effects of TuxPaint. The Edges effect. It is a very unique feature in TuxPaint. We can differentiate the edges from any already drawn image. Let us see how it works. Click on the Shape tool and select any fill shape from the Sub-Tool box. Select the Magic tool and choose Edges from the Sub-Tool box. Using your magic wand, click and drag it over the entire picture. You will observe that the edges of the shape start appearing. Let us apply this effect to one of the stems and observe the changes. Let us have a quick quiz. Who is the lead developer of TuxPaint? Which word in TuxPaint helps you to know more about various tools? Now,